Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You'll give me the encouragement to keep making more videos so we can bake along together.
You bake it yourself?
I did!